Robinson box fan. This I found at my Goodwill store. Actually a pretty nice store. Nothing too shabby about it, or too crappy. But, yeah. There we go. Has a little bit of a balancing problem with the bottom feet. I don't know if one of them's cracked, but, I'm gonna put a board or something to keep it from falling over. This fan has really severe problems. You'll see it will be bouncing back and forth like this. It's not that severe, but it's gonna get to that. Yep, it's starting to shake. The nice thing I love about this fan is it's just as loud as a Lasco box fan, which I have somewhere. This fan is extremely huge. Well, it's in extremely good condition. Handle, not loose. Not loose either. The switch control. Motor sounds perfect. Little bit of a rattling sound, but that's fine with me. That's how these vintage fans are supposed to work. And apparently this fan was from 1993. This fan only cost around $5, which is very cheap. I have never seen a fan this cheap before. And there's little holes in the side here that I noticed that you can put, like, if you wanted to, you have like one of those little things that you can turn the fan sideways and lean it back, lean it forward, anywhere you want, so that it's blowing your direction. But I thought I'd never seen a fan. I thought I'd never see this type of fan before. And I don't care how many times you say, oh, this fan is just old and it's going to make a lot of racket, or something like that. This fan is awesome. Don't blame me that this fan is... sounds louder because the motor is not... This fan looks like it hasn't been used in over years. So it's been resting quite a bit. But there's a little bit of bouncing problems. There's a little gap underneath these feet. It doesn't fall over like the Lasco fans. Let's turn it down. Medium. And now it's starting to shake back and forth. And I noticed here it has red, green, white, and black wires. Hot ground, hot neutral, and interconnect. Yeah, now it's rocking back and forth. Look closely. This corner right here. That's why I have to do this. Hold on. With this piece of wood. Move the cord out of the way so this doesn't catch fire. Okay, going back to 1. I notice it gets really, really quiet on this speed. Right now, this is going at around 45 miles an hour. Right. That was pretty neat. Look at the spin down. Never seen a fan this slow before. But it's cool to see it. It's still going. Oh, And it stopped. Oh, no, it's not done. All right, that was it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Like and subscribe.